Hi everyone, again we are here for reviewing our UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description. You can check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a UI UX design certification course by Red Apple Learning, and if we go with the stats, duration is 3 months and it is offline course and 100% placement is there. And if we go down, these are the roles after the course, and these are the modules. Module 1 is of foundation theory part and all about UI UX and fundamentals. Module 2 is about practical UI skills and about the tools learning and wireframing. Important topic is there. And module 3 is about advanced application related to UI UX, and portfolio development is there. And these are the eligibility, these are the skills, user research, responsive design, UX case studies is there, UI design, typography. They have covered the important skills of the UI UX in this course. And these are the success stories, portfolio work by their students, by choosers, eligibility. There's nothing else. Overall, it's a average course. It's a good course. We can go with that. If we rate according to the parameters, curriculum is there, fundamental is also there, UI design quality is also there, hand-on project is there. Tools and software training, as they didn't mention any tools related, but they are teaching about the AI tools, that how this course is future oriented or not. Mentorship and feedback is also zero point 0.5, as they didn't mention like they are providing the mentorship or feedback classes is there or not. Portfolio is there. Placement and career support is also there. Course values is zero point 0.5, like many courses are better, which providing better modules in terms of fundamentals. And if industry relevance update is also zero point 0.5, as they didn't mention any software which led to future oriented course. So it's a 8 out of 10, and it's a good to go course. You can definitely go with this course, but there are many better courses in the market. I will add the best UI UX course link in the description. You can check out from there, which covers the heavy weightage related to UI UX, and all the fundamentals, cover the portfolio development, and also help in placement and career support after the completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Also, if you have any feedback related to a video related to placement or career support, you can definitely ask in the comment section. Thank you.